Today we are doing a basic French braid. As you can see, I have taken 3 even sections of hair, and you will start off by pulling from the right side and you overlap into the middle. Put those together, and then you pull over from the left side, you overlap that into the middle, pull taut that middle section, you'll pull again on the right side, overlap it, and you will pull that stationary middle piece down and tight. That middle piece will always stay there. It will always be stationary. And you'll just continue to overlap. Overlapping again, pull. And at this point, you can either make it into a ponytail and finish it up, or you can continue to go down and follow through. You may have some flyaways. You can use bobby pins at the end or pull some loose and make it cute around your face. We're here with the family this weekend at the Wilderness Hotel and Water Park in Sevierville, Tennessee, and we're just relaxing and having a ball. As you can see, people are walking by, so please excuse us. We do want to take this time to thank you so much for watching our videos and subscribing. We hope you've learned a few things and continue to visit with us. As you can see at the end, we just continue to do simple strands, braiding over, take the left, pull over, take the right, pull over, left, right, and you'll just do that to the end. Small ponytail holders seem to do best. And see, basic braid. Look how pretty it looks with her natural highlights.